go ahead and show this on camera right quick. As you can see, it's brand new, it's white, and it has these gold scripts, peach, whatever, I don't know, but I'm just looking at this new shirt. In these shorts, I actually ordered these shorts off of Amazon. Check that out, get some money. But for today's video, we are going to be riding my dirt bike back. I posted a video like months ago when I rode my dirt bike, but I actually didn't show y'all the real footage on camera. So today, that what we're finna get into. Oh, by the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you will know when I post. Let's get straight into the video. All right, YouTube, we're outside now. Y'all, bro, did y'all see that on camera? Bro, that was a good ride. The dog chased after me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see y'all on the next one.